Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the Git and GitHub fundamentals from very scratch. Okay, guys, I have uploaded this PDF in the interview preparation kit. Please do check out for the link in the description or in the comment section. It's really helpful for clearing the interviews and also helpful for working in real-time industry level projects. Okay, so please do check out. It contains end-to-end interview preparation materials and 10,000 plus real-time interview questions and answers asked in almost all the companies. Okay, so let's get back to the video. So initially, I'll go at very high level, guys. Initially, we have talked about what is Git. As we know, Git is a distributed version control system. It helps developer or automation testers track changes in the code, collaborate with others, and manage different versions of a project effectively. Then, what is GitHub? So, GitHub is a cloud-based platform that hosts Git repository. It provides tools for collaboration, code reviews, issue tracking, and project management. Okay, so similarly we have talked about why the developers or automation testers use the Git and what's the difference between version control and source control, and then what's the difference between centralized and distributed version control systems, and why Git is important in teams, and what are the benefits of Git, what's the typical workflow. And next section we have talked about how Git works. Okay, so here we have talked about in detail architecture of the Git. So we have talked about what are the different components of Git and how the Git workflow works. Okay, and what are the basic commands we usually use in the commands real-time work environment, and what are the important key points to remember. And then we have talked about the essential Git commands that anyone should be aware of. Okay, okay, and then we have talked about the branching and merging concepts. Okay, and then we have talked about the merging conflicts as well, and then we have talked about the difference between merge and rebase. Okay, and then we have talked what is a cherry pick, and then we have talked about the difference, sorry, GitHub workflow and collaboration. Okay, this is the typical GitHub work collaboration workflow. Okay, this is a step-by-step explanation for each of the above steps. Okay, so everything is self-explanatory in the document, guys. Okay, so and in the seventh section we have talked about the undo operations and Git best practices to be followed. We have talked about each module, and then we have talked about the quick reference cheat sheet about Git. Okay, so and you can see, so these are the 20 rapid fire interview questions which you can expect in the interview. Okay, so I think we have come to the end of the document. Okay guys, so this is a very important document where you should be aware of all these terms and commands while working in real-time industry level projects, and you can expect any questions among this while giving an interview. Okay, so as I said earlier, I have uploaded this PDF in the interview preparation kit. Please do check out. It's really helpful for clearing the interviews and also helpful for working in real-time industry level projects confidently. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. All the best for your upcoming interview.